Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics effectively. Start by building a strong foundation in core concepts. Don't rush. Ensure you truly grasp each principle before advancing. Consistent practice is key, so dedicate specific time slots each day or week to work through problems. This approach helps solidify your understanding and builds confidence for more challenging material. Remember, physics is about understanding, not just memorizing. To truly excel, engage in active learning. Don't just read, actively solve problems. Work through at least 5 to 10 different types of problems for each concept. Visualizing physics concepts, perhaps by drawing diagrams or relating them to everyday phenomena, can make them much clearer. Regular review, even for just 15 minutes daily, prevents forgetting and keeps your knowledge fresh. Physics can be challenging, but don't get discouraged. When faced with a difficult problem, try breaking it down into smaller, more manageable parts. If you're truly stuck, don't hesitate to ask for help from your teacher or classmates. There are also many excellent online resources and video tutorials that can offer different perspectives and explanations, helping you to grasp those tricky concepts. For exam success, practice is paramount. Work through past exam papers, simulating test conditions to improve your speed and accuracy. Identify your weak areas and dedicate extra time to them. Remember to maintain a positive attitude and manage any study-related stress. A calm and focused mind performs much better, ensuring you can apply all your hard-earned knowledge effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.